Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we talk about everything from travel and credit to be able to make travel easier and more appealing. Series. We're going to talk about the 6 top credit cards for travel that I like to use the most. And then I may throw in a bonus. If you stay around to the end, we might throw a bonus in there for you as well. So the first card we love is the Capital One Venture X card. So this one comes in hard, you guys. In the complex world of travel cards, this card really makes everything very simple and gives you some really good perks. And there's a lot of ways that justifies the $300 annual fee. It punches above its weight, offering you a $300 travel credit, and then it also will give you an annual bonus of 10,000 miles. So effectively out of pocket, your costs for insuring this card for your next trip is already taken care of. So it's amazing. It's straightforward benefits combined with generous welcome offer and robust earnings. Rates the travel card very, very high on the list. Makes it a stellar choice for seasoned travelers and new explorers alike. So once again, it's a $395 annual fee, but they're going to give you a $300 credit for a $300 travel credit that you get to use. And then they also give you a $10,000 miles. They give you 10,000 miles. So you get $395 that's pretty much already justified and paid for right out the gate. The second one we're going to talk about is coming in strong, the Built card. Yes, everybody knows about how beautiful the Built card is. This Built card has no annual fee, which we love so much by Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo is really trying to dominate the market of travel with this card. Not only does it allow you to use your rent payments to accumulate points, but it also comes in really strong with being able to help out with dining. So you're going to want to get involved in their portal so that you can take advantage of the the 3x on dining. And then they also have not once a month, but every now and then they'll have a 6x on rent day at the beginning of the month, where you can get 6x on dining. So that ends up being a lot of points. So definitely love the Built MasterCard. It's a game changer. It's also the only card that allows you to, that has no annual fee and allows you to pay your rent, which we talked about before. And you can really rack up some serious points. The next one we're going to talk about is the American Express Platinum card, which everybody knows, or most people know, that this is a luxury card, but it has a big, huge annual fee of $695. How they justify this $695 is they give you a ton of different rewards that you can use. And if you take advantage of those rewards, then you definitely can feel the impact and enjoy the luxurious card for what it has to offer. It's going to give you $200 in hotel credits. It gives you $50, I think it's $100 in Saks Fifth points. So they spread out $50 every 6 months to be able to get Saks Fifth points as well. It allows you to have exclusive lounge access at many of the hotels around the world. It really does just cater to travelers. It is an amazing card. I highly recommend that you get it if you are an avid traveler or aspiring to be. If you're willing to manage the benefits, it can definitely be very promising for you to have this particular card. The next one is the coming in strong on number 4 is your Chase Ritz Carlton. For hotel enthusiasts, the Ritz Carlton stands out pretty loud. Although you can't apply directly, a product change from certain Marriott cards can grant you access to this elite offering. So with a $400 annual fee, it offers a substantial $300 airline credit. It also has an annual free night worth up to 85,000 Marriott points. That's pretty significant. And a plethora of luxury perks. So it's a prime choice for those loyal Marriott enthusiasts, delivering a value that's well beyond the cost. And I am definitely a Marriott user. I use it for my business travel, so I can definitely see how this card can come in handy with giving me that annual free night of up to 85,000 Marriott points. So I'll definitely be looking into this card a little heavier. I haven't pulled the trigger on this particular card, but I definitely have my eye on it for sure. And then there's the number 5, the Hilton Aspire card. Many people really love this card. The Hilton Aspire card, it has a recent bump up to $550, and justifying the price with unmatched hotel benefits. So you'll enjoy the Hilton Diamond status, so you can upgrade. It's going to upgrade you to the Hilton Diamond status. You're also going to get a free night's award without caps and up to $400 Hilton credits. So that's a big perk as well. This card is my top pick for hotel cards. It definitely provides a lot of value if you're a business traveler, and it'll give you way more perks than the annual fee. So if you are a Hilton loyalist and you like to travel Hilton, definitely recommend you getting the Aspire card for sure. And then number 6, we're going to talk about the U.S. Bank Altitude Reserve card. It is definitely one of those hidden gems with cards out there because it combines travel perks with everyday value. It has a $400 annual fee, but you can get it recouped with $325 of travel and dining credits, making it a pretty effective card about for $75 a year. So you can it also has a real highlight of 3 times the points on mobile wallet purchases, offering an unbeatable return on everyday shopping. So for tech savvy spenders, this card's definitely a no-brainer. And then I'll throw in a bonus. The bonus for you guys is the Chase Ink Preferred. That's right. So for us business owners, we love the Chase Ink Preferred. It rounds out the list. It has a $95 annual fee, but you're going to get 100,000 point welcome bonus. That's huge. It also offers 3 times the points on categories covering everything from travel to advertising. It's making a it's a big deal for business owners because you can really rack up some serious points. So there you have it. Those are my top cards for 2024. I hope you like them. I hope this video gave you some value. If you do like it, click the link below. Also, we have a private school group community where, since you have watched this video all the way through, you are now granted access to being able to join our private community. So head over to school, make sure you type in the name of this video, and we will grant you access to our school community where we're going to be going over everything from travel to top credit cards, how to clean your credit reports, how to build business credit, and we're also having real estate acquisitions and how to buy multifamily commercial real estate inside of that group as well. So if that's stuff that might interest you, we offer you the ability to come join our community and learn more about that. And also, if this video gave you enough value, please hit the subscribe button so that you can get more videos just like this. And we're going to do our best to be able to drop a ton of value for you guys. All right. Peace.